Hello, AP Computer Science Principal students, and welcome to another beautiful day of online learning. Do you know what season it is? I bet you were going to say spring, but it's actually pollen season. Walked outside yesterday, everything everywhere is coated in yellow. Let's go ahead and get started. Today's question of the day. New data is available to add to a company's existing data. The IT director wants to store the new data on the cloud. What is a concern that needs to be addressed before implementing the plan? A, the security of the data being transmitted back and forth. B, the latency delay in requesting and receiving access to the data. C, the redundancy of the internet increasing the cost. D, the cost of the ISP will charge to access the cloud. Please pause the video, study your answer choices. All right, hopefully you came up with the correct answer. And the correct answer is A, the security of the data being transmitted back and forth. Transmitting company data back and forth is a security concern, and encryption of the data is important to keep company data about customers, employees, and trade secrets secure. Make sure you go over to It's Learning, find question of the day for March 31st, and put in option A as your correct answer. Remember, office hours are available every day during Raider time in the Google Meet classroom, and then you can also send me a message through the It's Learning Messenger. I have started to put in your Explore project assignments. So last night I only got through period 1, but I'll put the rest of them in today. If you are missing anything, you can still submit it for full credit. Overview for March 31st, that should say Tuesday. Question of the day. Then I want you to watch the video Big Data by Tim Smith, and it's a YouTube video. It's only about 6 or 7 minutes, and it is linked in the planner for you. And then you're going to complete question for thought 8.1. Question for thought 8.1 is going to ask you to directions. The key characteristics of big data are often called the 3 V's: volume, velocity, and variety. Explain the role each one of these plays in making big data hard to handle. The complexity of some data sets leads people to add extra dimensions such as veracity and variability to the list. In what ways do these complicate things further? Your essay should be approximately 100 words. Be sure to run spell check before submitting your assignment and submit directly to the It's Learning text box rather than attaching a separate document or linking to your Google Drive. So those big V's of big data are explained in Tim Smith's video on big data. And then I just wanted to review digital portfolio verification in case you didn't get this done yesterday. You will submit your Create project and your Explore project to the digital portfolio after I have given you 100% in each of the project drop boxes. Note that the 100% is not on quality, but that you followed the guidelines. Make sure the written responses are on the College Board template and saved as a PDF. And then there are directions for submitting your digital portfolio, and those are in It's Learning for you. Once you've submitted the following and marked them as final, which is going to be your Create Project video, your Create Project written response, your Create Project program code, your Explore infographic, and your Explore written responses, you're going to get a screen that's going to show you 5 check marks. It is that I need a snippet of. Don't give me a snippet of the individual drops, but just of the 5. Note that if you are not taking the AP test, you still have to submit the verification, but instead of giving me the screenshot, you're just simply going to respond in the text box and state, I am not taking the AP test. That way I know everybody has done the verifications. And then update on the AP test, as I've told you for the last week or so, there's no longer going to be any Multiple choice, it's only going to be your create and your explore performance tasks. So once you have submitted the verification, you're done. You have completed your AP test. And that's all for today. Have a wonderful Tuesday.